Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY E8 third generation wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working, or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now you also might want to do this if you just want to, for whatever reason, delete all of the pairing history and the settings so that you can basically set these up as a new set of earbuds coming out of the box. This will do that for you, and it's quite easy to do. First things first, we want to make sure we have a decent charge on these earbuds, and once we have that, we can go ahead and turn them on by taking them out of the case. And once they're out of the case and on, we're just going to come and press and hold the back button on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 seconds. And basically we're going to just keep holding, keeping an eye on the little light indicators. And when the light indicators flash red, that means the reset is complete. We can go ahead and release the buttons. And now these earbuds are totally reset and they can be set up like a brand new set of earbuds.